Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make the easiest appetizer ever, okay? This is what I call the 222 dip, or hot onion dip is what I call it on my blog. I got this recipe from my Aunt Marion, and it's like seriously the best dip ever. I mean, when people eat this, they go nuts. And all it is 2 cups of chopped onions, 2 cups of real mayonnaise, and 2 cups of shredded Swiss cheese. That's it. There's no seasonings or anything that you have to put in. I mean, you could add things in if you want, but your basic hot onion dip is just 2, 2, 2. That's all you need to remember. So I've already got 2 cups of mayonnaise in this bowl, and I'm just gonna add the rest of the ingredients and mix it together. So you just wanna make sure that all the ingredients just get incorporated really well. And this is best to do in kind of a deep bowl like this. So just get it all nice and mixed around. And I'm telling you, when when people taste this dip at parties, they're like, oh my gosh, what is this? And they just can barely believe it when I tell them that it's just onion dip. And these onions, I like to dice mine up kind of smaller pieces. And then as they cook, they just get really, really soft, and they mix with the cheese and the mayonnaise. And the mayonnaise already has that kind of vinegary taste to it, and salt, and the cheese has salt, so that's why you really don't have to add anything. But you could if you wanted to. You could add some bacon, or just whatever you think. Okay, so I've taken this stoneware. This is actually one of my Pampered Chef stonewares. I've had this, I think I've had this for 20 years at least. I love this stuff. I kind of took a little bit of butter and made a little coating on it just to help season it. But all you do is just put this right in. And we'll just spread it evenly. And then we are going to pop this in the oven until it's nice and bubbly, and it'll get kind of golden on top. And that's it. It literally takes just a few minutes to put together. Then you have your baking time, and you're ready to go. So I'll be back when it's done. Ooh, I wish you guys could smell this onion dip right now. Oh, it is so good. You can see it is still, I just got it out of the oven. It's hot and bubbly, and you really do want to serve this dip hot or at least warm. And I do have one little tip. Because this dip is made from mayonnaise and cheese, there's going to be kind of like this little layer of grease on the top. So just take some paper towels, and you might want to get like something to help so you don't burn yourself. Okay, be very careful. I just like to kind of just very gently lay, okay, a paper towel on the top. Just very, very, very gently. You don't have to do this. This is completely optional. But I know a lot of times when you see that grease, see all that the grease on the top, that kind of makes people, I don't know, maybe not want to try it. So I just kind of very, very gently pat that grease off. And then it is ready to serve. So you can serve this with slices of bread, like toasted French toast slices. I think it's really good with just some saltine crackers. So if you like a really good hot onion dip, this is one to try. Like I said, it's so easy. You can go to my website and there's a printable recipe that you can click on. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up and subscribe for more really simple recipes. So until next time, bye.